In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a progress bar in Notion. We'll start by getting into your workspace, then set up a simple number property, and finally switch it to display as a visual bar so your progress is easy to read at a glance. First, open your browser and head to notion.com. On the home page, click Login. If you prefer signing in with Google, choose the Google option on the login screen and select your Google account. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace. Next, open the page or database where you want the progress bar to live. This works best in a database view like a table, board, or list, where each row represents an item you're tracking. At the top of your database, click Add Property to create a new column. From the property types, choose Number, and confirm that you're adding a number property. This gives you a place to store the value that will drive the progress bar. Rename this property to something clear, like Progress, so it's obvious to you and your collaborators what the column represents. Now open the property settings by clicking Edit Property. In the display options, switch the format to bar. This tells Notion to visualize the number as a horizontal bar right inside each row. Bars work best when your values range from 0 to 100, since that naturally reads as a percentage. If you're tracking a different scale, you can still use bar, just be consistent with the numbers you enter. Click back into your database and select a cell in the progress column. Type a value, for example 50, and press Enter. You'll see the bar fill to match that number. Repeat this for any rows you want to track. It's that simple. The number drives the bar, and the bar gives you an instant visual status. If your setup is more advanced, you can have the bar update automatically using a formula or an automation. For example, if you track sales in a target in separate number properties, a formula property can calculate the percentage for you, such as sales divided by target multiplied by 100, optionally rounded, and then displayed as a bar. Similarly, if you track tasks completed versus total tasks, you can compute completed divided by total times 100 to keep the progress bar perfectly in sync as those values change. This keeps your progress accurate without manual updates. That's it. You've added a number property, set it to bar, and learned how to feed it with either a typed value or a calculated one for automatic updates.